If your skin is getting darker, breaking out, or not glowing no matter what you use, you might be damaging your skin every single day without even knowing it. And the worst part, most Nigerians are making this same mistake. You have bought expensive products, you have tried natural remedies, you have even followed TikTok trends, but your skin still looks dull, uneven, or full of dark spots. It's not always your products. Sometimes it's your habit. So most of the times you are applying a lot of products, skincare products on your face, and it's not working the way you expect it to work. Instead of it working, it's breaking out your skin. At times it's not the product, it's how you're applying it or your daily habit that is making skincare products not to work on your skin. So today we are going to look at some of the mistakes Nigerians, in fact Africans, make that make their skin to be dull, uneven, or full of dark spots. Mistakes that Nigeria makes that ruin their skin. Mistake number one is over washing your face. Washing your face 3 to 5 times a day won't make you glow faster. Some people think that if they keep washing their face, the dark spots, the dull skin will go. But no, washing of your face regularly, like many times a day, will make your face to break out. It will rip off natural oil on your skin, causing your skin to be dull and to break out. So washing your face will not make you glow faster. In fact, it does the opposite. When you overwash your face, you strip your skin of its natural oils and your skin starts producing more oil to compensate. That leads to oily skin and skin irritation. Some people wash their face, cleanse their face like 3 to 5 times a day and even more, because they think by washing their face they are removing all the damages on their skin. No, you clean your face only 2 times a day, morning and night. Wash your face just twice a day, morning and night. You don't need to go extra, and this will help you. So if you are the type that wash your face regularly, it will ruin your skin and the product you are applying on your face will not work on your skin. Mistake number 2 is using harsh product. That strong soap that makes your face feel tight is not working, it's damaging your skin barrier. Many people use soaps or a lot of products that ruin their skin without them knowing. Those products are harsh on your skin. In fact, when you apply it on your skin, you feel it on your skin that it's harsh on your skin, but you are still applying it. No. Stop using products that are harsh on your skin. When you apply a product and you are feeling tightness on your skin or your skin is becoming irritated, stop using that product immediately because it will ruin and damage your skin. Many people use bleaching creams, strong exfoliants every day, random mixes of products that can cause burns, hyperpigmentation, and uneven skin tone. If you are the type that use bleaching cream, please stop using bleaching cream. It will ruin your skin. Strong exfoliants. You are exfoliating your skin with strong exfoliants every day. It will damage your skin instead of helping it. And random mixes of products. You see somebody mixing different products and applying them at once on the face. It's not okay. Make sure you know what is good for your face before you apply any product on your face. If not, it will ruin your skin and the product will not work. You'll be thinking if it's the product, but it's not the product, it's how you are applying it on your skin. So gentle skincare is key. If it stings or burns, your skin is crying. So anything that stings or burns your face, stop using it immediately. If not, you will not like your skin again. Mistake number 3, not using sunscreen. In Nigeria, the weather is hot. You are going out on a very sunny day and you are not applying sunscreen. I'm telling you today that if you spend money buying expensive skincare products and you do not buy a sunscreen to go with it, you are wasting your money, you are wasting your time, your skincare is not going to work. Sunscreen is like the shield over your skincare. It protects your skin. So yes, Even in Nigeria, you need sunscreen. The sun is not your friend when it comes to skincare. Skipping sunscreen leads to dark spots. You see a lot of dark spots coming on your face, then you begin to wonder where are they coming from. Premature aging, you are looking older than your age. Skin damage, it will damage your skin, it will irritate your skin. So make sure you apply sunscreen every day. Even when you are indoors, apply sunscreen, especially when you are going out. So use sunscreen every single day, even when indoors. Mistake number 4, mixing too many products. You saw one product on YouTube, another one on Instagram, another one your friend recommended. You bought all those products and mixed together. Now you are using everything at once on your face. That's a recipe for disaster. Mixing too many active ingredients at once is a recipe for disaster for your skin. It will irritate your skin, it will cause breakouts, it will worsen your skin condition. So don't go about looking at what others are applying on their skin to come and mix all in one and apply it on your face. It will damage your skin completely. I always say it and I will keep on saying it. Keep your routine simple. Cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. In fact, you don't need anything. Cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen is best for your skin. Mistake number 5, ignoring your diet. Your skincare doesn't end up on your face. What you eat shows up on your skin. When you eat too much sugar, oily food, junk. At times when we eat some things, they have effects on our skin, they react on our skin. So know what you eat and cut them off your diet so that you have that smooth glowing skin you've always dreamed of. So if you are the type that eats lots of sugar, oily foods and junk foods, please minimize or stop eating those foods. If you keep eating those foods, they can lead to acne and dull skin. I know some people that whenever they eat peanuts, that's groundnut, they have breakouts on their face, like pimples a lot on their face. So if you're a type of person that eats a certain foods that have reaction on your skin, stop eating that food completely or reduce your intake of that particular food and drink more water, eat fruits and balance your diet. Mistake number 7, expecting fast results. This one is common. You use a product for 3 days and expect a miracle. Real skincare takes time. If a product works overnight, it's probably too harsh. If you are buying a product today, don't expect to see fast results immediately. It takes time, it takes effort, it takes consistency. Don't believe skincare brands that tell you to use their product and see results in a day. No, it takes time and consistency. Any skincare that makes you see results in a day is not a good skincare for your skin. Everything takes time and consistency. Mistake number 7, touching your face constantly. Your hands carry dirt and bacteria. We move around, dirt settles on our hand, and the next thing you're already touching your face. You transfer that bacteria on your hand to your skin, which can result to breakouts and irritation. So before you touch your face with your hand, make sure you wash your hand neatly. In fact, avoid touching your face too much. So keep your hands off your face as much as possible. So if your skin hasn't been improving, it's time to stop blaming products and fix your habits. Most times it's not the product, it's your habits that is making the product not to work. Start small, stay consistent, and your glow will come. If you are making any one of these mistakes, please correct it today so that you begin to see results in your skincare. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs it, because trust me, a lot of people are making these mistakes, especially Nigerians. So see you in the next video. Bye.